Yeah, let's continue it. As part of Amazon S3, let's understand what is AWS S3 and what are key features of AWS S3. AWS S3, AWS S3 is a first service in AWS. They invented AWS S3 is a first service in AWS Cloud. AWS Cloud. AWS S3 is a storage service. AWS S3 is a storage service. Storage service. And full form of S3. Simple storage service. Yes, yes, yes. Repeated 3 times. That's why they are calling S3. Simple storage service. Yes, yes, and yes. S3. S3 full form is simple storage service. It is a storage service in AWS S3. It is a storage service in AWS S3. It allows to store any amount of data. There is no limitation for AWS S3. It supports multiple types of data. It supports multiple types of data. It is not a particular type of data. You can store images, you can store videos, you can store documents, you can store logs, you can store backup data, you can store CSV, JSON, XML, Parquet, Avro. You can store any type of data into AWS S3 and any size of data. There is no limit to store data into S3. What are main features of S3 is highly secure. Highly secure. First one, we can achieve security using first important service in AWS is IAM. IAM full form is identity and access management. Let's say we created a user. If user want to access this S3, if you created user in AWS, then if that user want access, he need a IAM permission. Without IAM permission, user cannot access. Second one, we can encrypt the data, we can store the data. We have server-side encryption. You can implement your own uh, client-side encryption to provide security for your data. And next one thing, it is highly fault tolerant. Highly fault tolerant. You never lose data until unless you override. If you override also, you can maintain multiple versions of copies so that you never lose data. It is highly fault tolerant. At any time, you can access S3 data. And and it supports unlimited storage. It supports unlimited storage with pay as you go basis. S3 S3 comes with comes with free tier, free tier. Under free tier, let's say there is a limitation for free tier. Let's say 5 GB. So this 5 GB, 5 GB free forever. You no need to pay. If you want to store more than 5 GB, that is unlimited data, you can go with the pay as you go basis pricing model. Pay as you go basis means My expectation is 1 TB data, but no need to pay immediately 1 TB data. How much storage you have today? Today I have 15 GB. Then you can pay only for 15 GB. No need to reserve 1 TB space. 1 TB space, it is highly scalable. Today you have 1 GB, you can pay only for 1 GB. Tomorrow you have 10 GB, you can pay for 10 GB. After a month you have 50 GB. Whenever you store 50 GB, then for that amount only you can pay. It will scale automatically. You can store any size of data. Your S3 storage scales automatically. You no need to reserve space at the beginning. You can store the data, it will scale automatically. It is highly durable, highly fault tolerant, highly available. 24 by 7, you can access data from anywhere. It supports different formats. It supports encryption, versioning, lifecycle policies, and it provides access controls. You can give read only, write only, delete permissions. You have multiple policies to access this S3 data. Based on the user level, you can restrict access control on S3 data. Okay.